Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on the Motorola Moto G67. So if you're experiencing ghost touch, which means that sometimes your phone presses something by itself, there are a few things that you can do to try and fix that. So the first thing that you can try doing is removing the screen protector in the case. So if there's dirt trapped under the screen protector in the case, it might be get detected as touches. So just make sure that you remove those and then clean your phone up and then put them back on to see if that was the issue. And then after you're done, and pretty much also before you apply all of the touch screens and cases, make sure to wipe your phone with a microfiber cloth. So this is the best type of cloth that you can get to clean your phones. So just kind of use it like that, and it's going to clean it up fully, and it's going to be pretty much perfect. So then you can put on your cases and things like that, and just go with it. So, and the next thing that you can try doing is updating the software. So if it's a known issue, the developers can put out a update that will fix your issues. So in this example, the ghost touch bug. So open up the settings, scroll down to system updates, and then click check for updates. And that's going to check if there's a new software update available. And if there is, make sure that you get it, make sure that you download it and go through the process. And once you've downloaded it, check your phone and see if there are any ghost touch problems that still persist. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.